Alright, next up on the salvage rebuilds is this 2017 Infiniti QX60. So it's pretty dark, but I'm going to throw a picture up from the salvage auction so you can see what it looks like. But front end is totally fine. Deployed the driver's seat airbag, the roof rail airbag. Those are no big deals. What we're going to work on tonight is, if you see in the back left here on the tire, it is wonked out significantly. So what's going on here is, if you look down in here, you'll see this lower control arm is essentially a three-piece control arm. Essentially, I mean, this is your primary that holds the spring, but then there's three other units that come. One that holds the strut, and then this front, I guess like trailing arm is what you would call it here. But let's see if we can see down in here. So if you look closely here, this one cracked and bent. If you look down here on this arm, right, you'll see, right here, it bent. And then the big one also bent. There appears to be no real damage to the K-member, maybe like a little bitty wonk. But we'll see what it looks like whenever we replace these components, and if I need to put a whole new rear K-member in, we will. Luckily, it's all pretty daggum easy. The other thing we're going to work on, I don't know if I'm going to do it tonight or in the morning or tomorrow afternoon, but you look here, this is like a vent line for the filler neck. So I'm going to replace the entire filler neck assembly. I'm pretty sure the reason this was totaled is because if you look right here on the body, it pushed it just a smidgen. It's not enough to be relevant to anything. This is for a friend of ours. She won't care at all. You won't even be able to tell. But from an insurance standpoint, you have to pay to repair everything. So they would have to section this all out or bang it out from the inside or whatever it is they do at those body shops. So I think that's why I got totaled. But I think once we replace these lower structure units, I have this entire knuckle, but I'm just going to do the lower at first. That should, in theory, straighten this wheel back out. So let's see how that goes. Alright, here we are. Lower control arms. Every component's replaced. Wheel is straight. So that worked out perfectly. Up next, we're going to figure out how to pull this filler neck and change that out, because where that broke, I pulled the wheel liner that is welded on to the neck, that vent line. So that whole thing's coming out next.
Hey everybody, Shane here. Just wanted to take a quick time out to say, if you're learning anything or you're enjoying the videos, please hit that like button below. It really helps get the videos out in front of more people and grow the channel. If you're liking any of the builds that we're working on, feel free to subscribe, follow along. We're always looking for ideas on what we can do to these things, so throw them in the comments section, and we'll definitely be looking that over and communicating with anybody in there. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.